Today, we uncover the hidden truth behind age spots and a surprising mineral deficiency causing them. Most people believe those stubborn, dark patches on their skin are simply an inevitable result of getting older every year. Others blame years of sun exposure, spending countless hours outdoors without realizing the deeper internal struggles happening beneath their skin. However, recent studies suggest a completely different culprit. Your age spots might actually be a desperate cry for essential minerals. The missing link in your daily skincare routine is not an expensive cream, but a vital nutrient known as zinc. Zinc is a powerful mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining your overall health and keeping your skin radiant. Let us explore the first major reason. Zinc acts as a natural physical shield against harmful ultraviolet radiation from sunlight. By forming a protective barrier, it actively prevents the sun from inflicting severe cellular damage that triggers dark age spots. Without adequate zinc levels, your skin remains highly vulnerable, absorbing dangerous rays that rapidly accelerate the visible signs of aging. The second crucial benefit is cellular repair. Zinc is absolutely essential for healing damaged tissues and regenerating fresh skin cells. When you lack this mineral, your body struggles to replace old cells, causing a buildup of damaged, heavily pigmented tissue. This sluggish renewal process allows dark spots to form and linger much longer than they would in healthy, nourished skin. By restoring optimal zinc levels, you effectively speed up the healing process, revealing a brighter and much more even complexion. Moving to the third reason, we must recognize the incredible antioxidant properties that zinc provides to your delicate skin cells. Every single day, environmental pollutants and ultraviolet rays generate dangerous free radicals that continuously attack your healthy skin from within. Zinc swoops in like a superhero, neutralizing these harmful molecules before they can cause oxidative stress and unwanted hyperpigmentation issues. This powerful defense mechanism significantly slows down the aging process, keeping your face looking youthful, vibrant, and completely free from spots. The fourth critical factor involves hormonal balance. Zinc helps regulate various hormones that directly influence the health of your skin. Hormonal imbalances can easily trigger an overproduction of melanin, leading to those frustrating dark patches that seem impossible to erase. By maintaining steady hormone levels, zinc effectively prevents the sudden spikes that cause your body to overproduce unwanted skin pigment. This internal harmony translates to a flawless exterior, proving that true beauty and clear skin really do start from within. So, we have ultraviolet protection, cellular regeneration, powerful antioxidant defense, and crucial hormonal balance, working together to protect your skin. Now that you understand the immense power of this mineral, how can you easily incorporate more zinc into your life? The best and most natural approach is through your daily diet. Focus on consuming high-quality proteins like red meat. Shellfish, particularly fresh oysters, are incredibly rich in zinc and serve as one of the most potent sources available naturally. If you prefer plant-based options, you can easily load up on nutritious pumpkin seeds, crunchy nuts, and whole grains. Dairy products like milk and cheese also provide a respectable amount of this essential nutrient to support your daily needs. Creating a balanced plate filled with these delicious foods ensures your skin receives the exact nourishment it desperately craves daily. However, some individuals might still struggle to absorb enough zinc purely through their regular meals and require an extra boost. In such cases, high-quality dietary supplements can effectively bridge the nutritional gap and restore your body to optimal health. But please remember to exercise caution. Taking excessive amounts of zinc supplements can lead to unwanted side effects over time. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional or dermatologist before adding any new powerful supplements to your daily wellness routine. Your doctor can help determine the perfect dosage tailored specifically to your unique biological needs and current skin health condition. Age spots do not have to be a permanent fixture on your beautiful face. You hold the power to change. By addressing potential nutritional deficiencies, you can empower your body to heal naturally and restore its beautiful, youthful, glowing complexion. Start nourishing your skin properly today and watch those stubborn dark marks slowly fade away into a distant, forgotten memory. Thank you for watching video. Stay healthy, keep glowing, and we will see you in the next informative video.